Welcome to the In English Coffee Office. Today is Monday, July 28, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going this morning?
Hey David, I'm doing okay, thanks. How about you?
Not too bad, just need this coffee to kick in. Got a long day ahead.
I hear you. I've got a pile of work waiting for me.
Oh, same here. Always something to do, right?
Yeah, never a dull moment. Did you get any rest over the weekend?
A little, but not enough. I was catching up on some emails.
I know that feeling. I spent half my weekend planning for a project.
Man, we need a break. Hey, did you hear about that big trade deal with Japan?
Yes, I saw it in the news. The US signed a huge agreement, didn't they?
Yeah, it's all over the place. They're saying it's worth like 550 billion or something crazy.
That's a big number. It should help with trade between the two countries.
I hope so. Maybe it means more business for us sales guys.
Could be. It might open up new markets for a lot of companies.
That's what I'm thinking. More markets, more clients, more coffee breaks.
Good point. It's nice to see some positive news for a change.
Totally. Usually it's all doom and gloom out there.
True. I think this deal could help the economy grow a bit.
Fingers crossed. If it helps my sales targets, I'm all for it.
Let's hope it works out. It's good when countries team up like this.
Yeah, for sure. Hey, speaking of teaming up, did you hear about that new tech app for work?
Which one? There are so many new tools popping up.
It's called Task Flow, I think. Supposed to help organize tasks super easy.
Oh, I read about that. It's for managing deadlines and projects, right?
Exactly. I saw it in a tech update, and I'm thinking of trying it out.
That sounds useful. I could use something to keep my projects on track.
Same here. My desk looks like a tornado hit it with all these notes.
I get that. A good app can really save time and stress.
For real. I keep forgetting stuff if I don't write it down.
I'm the same way. Technology is such a big help these days.
It is. I just wish it could do my paperwork for me.
Wouldn't that be nice? Maybe one day we'll have apps for everything.
I'd pay for that. Imagine an app that just does your whole job.
That's the dream. Until then, I guess we'll stick to Task Flow.
Yeah, I'm downloading it today. Gotta stay on top of things.
Good idea. Let me know if it's any good, okay?
Will do. Hey, talking about cool stuff. Did you hear about that charity event?
No, I missed that. What's it about?
Some big celebrity singer is doing a show to raise money for schools.
That's great. Education needs all the support it can get.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. They think thousands will watch it online.
That's a big audience. It's nice when famous people do something good.
Totally. Plus, I bet the show will be a blast to watch.
For sure. Maybe we can watch it after work one of these days.
Good plan. I need something fun after staring at my computer all day.
I know what you mean. My eyes get so tired from the screen.
Same. All those emails and reports, it's endless.
It really is. But hey, at least we've got coffee to keep us going.
True. This coffee machine is my best friend at work.
Mine too. I don't know how I'd survive without it.
Same here. Hey, how's your project going, by the way?
It's okay, just very busy. I've got a deadline coming up soon.
Ouch, deadlines. I've got a bunch of client calls to make today.
Sounds like a full day. Do you have any big sales coming up?
I hope so. I'm chasing a couple of leads that look promising.
That's good to hear. I'm sure you'll close them.
Thanks, I'll try. How about you? Any big wins on your project?
Not yet, but I'm getting there. Just need to keep everyone on the same page.
That's the hard part, right? Getting everyone to agree.
Exactly. It's like herding cats sometimes.
I bet. Well, good luck with that.
Thanks. Good luck with your calls too.
Appreciate it. Man, time flies when we're chatting.
It does. I better get back to my desk now.
Yeah, me too. Have a good day, Alex.
You too, David. See you later.
For sure. Catch you at the coffee machine tomorrow.
Definitely. Take care until then.
You too. Let's keep this coffee break tradition going.
It's a deal. See you soon.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.